2021 BMW 3 Series. Starting at $42,245. Highs. First-rate powertrains, brilliant ride and handling balance, generous cabin and trunk space. Lows. Steering feel could be better, expensive, no more manual transmission. Verdict. The 3 Series is the segment's finest sedan thanks to its cohesive and engaging demeanor. Overview. The 2021 BMW 3 Series epitomizes the modern sports sedan with its comprehensive performance and innate sophistication. The German brand offers two phenomenal engines for this model, a 255 HP 4-cylinder and a 385 HP straight-six, both of which are as quick as they are refined. There's also a plug-in hybrid for the green crowd. While we're saddened by BMW's decision to eliminate the 3's manual transmission, the Perceptive 8-speed automatic is a worthy substitute. What's more, the 3's fantastic chassis can seamlessly shift from calm to frisky at a moment's notice. Unfortunately, its steering, although improved over the previous generation, still lacks the tactility that enthusiasts once idolized. The 2021 3 Series fulfills its mission as an entry-level premium sedan with ample cabin and trunk space as well as copious amounts of luxury and technology. What's new for 2021? Although BMW hasn't divulged the full list of updates to the 3 Series, it has announced the return of the 330e plug-in hybrid model. Compared with the last-gen PHEV, the latest version boasts several improvements, such as a higher top speed in electric mode, 87 miles per hour versus 75, a larger battery, 12.0 kilowatt-hours versus 7.6, and a longer EPA-rated all-electric range, up to 22 miles versus 14. Pricing and which one to buy. 330i. $42,245. 330e. $45,545. M340i. $55,695. We prefer the gas-powered versions to the plug-in hybrid. There's no question that the M340i packs the most performance, but its asking price is too high for us. Instead, we'd choose the 330i for its surprisingly sufficient power and truly athletic behavior. Those who want all-wheel drive can add it for $2,000. We would equip our example with the M Sport package that brings additional features, unique styling bits, and a specially tuned suspension. Most colors cost extra and not all are compatible with the M Sport option, so we'd choose the pretty Portimao blue. For the cabin, we'd select one of the Vernusxa leathers to enrich the interior. We'd also add the premium package for its blind spot monitoring, hands-free passive entry, head-up display, heated steering wheel, larger touchscreen, and more. The track handling package optimizes the sedan's driving dynamics via adaptive dampers and upgraded brakes. Other desirable but affordable options include the Harman/Kardon sound system, heated front and rear seats, remote start, power-operated trunk lid, and a Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless charging. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 3 Series offers two smooth and potent gas-powered engines. The 330i features a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that makes 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The M340i pairs with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that produces 385 ponies and 369 pound-feet. The 330e plug-in hybrid combines a turbo 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor that together generate 288 horses and 310 pound-feet. Our first impression of the 330e revealed a harmonious relationship between the gas and electric elements, and we like the plug-in's new extra boost function that provides a burst of power that feels like a shot of nitrous. Each powertrain pairs with an exceptional 8-speed automatic transmission and standard rear-wheel drive. You can power all 4 wheels for a price. Unfortunately, a manual gearbox is no longer available. Purists should hold out for the all-new BMW M3 if they need the stick. Buyers can choose between two suspension setups on the 3, the base arrangement or the upgrade with adaptive dampers. Our first drive of this G20 Gen 3 Series was encouraging. The car's newfound steering feel provides more road surface information and variable effort than its predecessor did, but it's still lacking compared with that of the 3's iconic early generations. The 4-cylinder Bimmer proved its worth by winning a comparison test against other sports sedans. We applauded its ability to transition from relaxed and refined to sharp and playful. The 330i also secured its spot at the top of its class by thwarting the gorgeous Alfa Romeo Giulia in a two-car comparo. Our long-term M340i further proves the nameplate's return to form, with its superb 6-cylinder and remarkable body control. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates the 4-cylinder 330i will earn up to 26 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway. The more powerful 6-cylinder M340i has ratings that top out at 23 mpg city and 32 highway. The rear drive, plug-in hybrid variant has a combined estimate of 28 mpg and an all-electric range of 23 miles. Both figures drop by 3 for the all-wheel drive PHEV. We tested a rear drive 330i on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and saw an impressive 42 mpg. Likewise, we conducted the same test with an all-wheel drive M340i, which earned 33 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the 3 has a modernized design complete with excellent materials and impressive build quality. Nothing feels cheap inside the 3 Series, and its controls are well placed. BMW also improved outward visibility, and the standard sport seats are well bolstered and supportive, and they offer extensive adjustments so it's easy to get comfortable. The car's extra cost content includes a detailed head-up display, customizable ambient interior lighting, heated front and rear seats, remote start, and wireless charging. The BMW's digital instrument cluster is a bit cluttered but still attractive. Some may find the counterclockwise sweep of the tachometer needle odd at first, but you get acclimated to it quickly. The 3 Series has a big trunk with an available power-operated lid. With 17 cubic feet of cargo space, the gas-powered sedan can fit 6 carry-on suitcases back there and 17 total with the rear row folded. For comparison, the Mercedes C300 sedan held 1 fewer suitcase in both tests and the Alfa Romeo Giulia could fit 5 and 15, respectively. The 330e has less trunk space, 13 cubes, because of its battery pack, and we haven't tested its carry-on capacity. Infotainment and connectivity. The standard infotainment system runs through an 8.8-inch touchscreen, but the interface can also be controlled with a large knob and buttons on the console or with voice commands. The Live Cockpit Plus suite of features, which includes navigation, is standard. For the really good stuff, you'll need to spring for the similarly named Live Cockpit Pro package, which increases the size of the touchscreen to 10.3 inches and gives you the latest and most capable iteration of BMW's iDrive system. A subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot is optional, but the sedan does come with 2 USB ports. Apple CarPlay integration is standard but Android Auto is not available. One interesting option is BMW's gesture control, which allows the driver or passenger to input certain commands with hand gestures. It's more novel than helpful, but it'll wow your friends for a few minutes. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2021 3 Series hasn't undergone crash testing by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the last version that was evaluated by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, was named a top safety pick. BMW is skimpy when it comes to standard driver assistance technology, providing only forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Other features are available, though. For example, the parking assistance package will practically park the car for you. Key safety features include available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. Available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Available adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW's limited and powertrain warranties align with those from rivals such as Audi and Mercedes-AMG. It provides longer complementary maintenance than those alternatives, but Jaguar beats it there. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complementary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Specifications. 2020 BMW M340i. Vehicle type. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 4-door sedan. Price as tested. $66,820, base price, $54,995. Engine type. Turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 24-valve inline-6, aluminum block and head, direct fuel injection. Displacement. 183 cu in, 2,998 cubic centimeters. Power. 382 HP at 6,500 RPM. Torque. 369 lb-ft at 1,800 RPM. Transmission. 8-speed automatic. Chassis. Suspension, F/R struts/multi-link. Brakes, F/R 13.7 invented disc/13.6 invented disc. Tires, Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, F, 225/40R1993YR, 255/35R1996Y. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 112.2 in. Length, 185.7 in. Width, 71.9 in. Height, 56.4 in. Passenger volume, 95 cu Fort. Trunk volume, 17, CU Fort. Curb weight, 3,827 pounds. C/D test results, new. Rollout, 1 foot, 0.3 SEC. 60 miles per hour, 3.8 SEC. 100 miles per hour, 9.2 SEC. 150 miles per hour, 24.2 SEC. Rolling start, 560 mph, 4.7 SEC. Top gear, 3050 mph, 2.1 SEC. Top gear, 5070 mph, 2.6 SEC. 1/4 mile, 12.3 SEC at 115 miles per hour. Top speed, Governor Limited 156 miles per hour. Braking, 70 mph, 155 feet. Road holding, 300 foot D-skid pad, 0.96 grams. C/D. Fuel economy. Observed, 24 mpg. EPA fuel economy. Combined/city/highway, 25/22/30 mpg. Warranty. 4 years/50,000 miles bumper to bumper. 12 years/unlimited miles corrosion protection. 4 years/unlimited miles roadside assistance. 3 years/36,000 miles scheduled maintenance.